C3 on the left. These are both in the highest modes. Okay, and that's the C3. Nice diffuse beam due to the TIR lens. Look at that. Reaching these trees up the front very easily and tinting those trees up in the back. L50 on the right, and definitely the L50 with that smooth reflector throwing significantly further, especially you compare it to that tree right in the back. It's tinting the trunk of that tree. Okay, C3 here and the L50. Okay, quite a big difference. There's that. Yeah, I do think they are both starting to ramp down a little as well. Let's try this tree here. Okay, that's the C3 here. Not as bright, intense as this, the L50. The L50 just has this really nice symmetrical round beam, and does not seem to be ramping down. Both of them seem... I'm going to turn it off. Okay, turn them back on again. Okay, C3 here, L50 here. Okay, I mean, I wouldn't say... I mean, they'll both look around the same sort of brightness level overall. It's just that the C3 has more of a diffuse beam, as you can see here. C2, it's got a smaller round sort of beam. You can actually see the circular beam pattern here on the ground, even the spill, compared to the C3, which just seems to overall illuminate more of the peripherals. And I'm really quite impressed with the L50. As you guys know, I love my throwy sort of lights, but yeah, both are managing the heat very well. These P9 emitters, I think, are so efficient, incredibly efficient.